Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video I want to make you aware of a free Forex course that I'm making available to my subscribers. My channel has just passed the 11,000 subscriber mark, and to celebrate that I'm making one of my courses freely available to my subscribers and any viewers of this particular video. Now on your screen you'll see this simple and easy series. Now in this series I've tried to incorporate all the major strategies and techniques that I use when I'm trading the Forex market. So it covers about 80% of those particular techniques. And I've sorted them into various categories like entries, exits, stops, turning points, money management, and times to trade the Forex market. Now, as you can see, it is still for sale, this particular course, but this is a very special offer to my subscribers and people watching this particular video. So the next question is, how do you get hold of this course? In the video, round about now, you will see a clickable link on the top right-hand side of your screen. It'll be a white strip with a clickable link. Click on that and you'll be taken to the download page. Alternatively, the link is very simple. It's Expert Forex-free. And a clickable link will also be made available to you in the description of the video. So we're trying to make it as easy as possible for you to download this free course. When you click on any of these links, you'll be taken to the page that you see in front of you right now. And if you're already a member of our forum, no problems, just click on the link. If you're not, click on the link anyway, but you will be required to register before you can download. It's well worth registering because there's a whole lot of other free stuff on this forum that you might be interested in. Now, I've called this the Simple and Easy series, not because of the content being simple of nature. It's actually, once you've gone through the content of this course, Forex trading will become so much more simple and so much more easy for you to do. Now, if you've liked this video, smash that like button. If you haven't joined my channel, join my channel, and also click on the bells so that you are notified of any new videos that are made. So again, thank you very much for your support to all my subscribers and clients. And from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.